So unfortunately, it's come time where I have to say goodbye to my Jaguar XKR. I had it for 2 years. It's been fun. The conditions deteriorated. There's a big area of rust here, which is very common. A little bit of rust starting on the wheel arches, and as you can see here, there's a bit more rust here that goes actually underneath the sill plate, and there's a bit of rot in the rear sills. So this is around the left hand side at the back, and as you can see, there's a little bit of rot down here. Again, same problem with the sill. Bit of corrosion. There's a couple of little holes actually underneath there, and the customary wheel arch corrosion, but this area here I think is okay. There's no corrosion around the back where you often get it. Front doesn't look too bad. So what is happening? So I've decided to get the rust cut out and treated wherever required. The car's going to an independent body restoration specialist in the Midlands, Weld Dub. I'll put a link to the Instagram in the description. And also on the screen now I'll be showing some examples of his work. Carl, who runs it, is a friend of a friend, and he's got over 35 years experience. I've seen his work firsthand and it is top quality. So the work that he'll be undertaking for me will include the rear outer sills, fabricating and replacing the rotten area on the right hand side of the right rear quarter, removing the remaining surface rust on the chassis before fully injecting the whole area with rust treatment and wax oil. There'll be a few things that he'll be doing in addition on the car, as well as possibly a full respray, so I'm looking forward to that.